Hello everybody, welcome to my channel again. In this case, today talking about the possibility uh, to be the president of Colombia. Let's go. If I were the president of Colombia, I would invest in education to ensure that all Colombians have access to quality education. The first, if education were more accessible, more Colombians would be able to achieve their full potential. I would increase funding for public school. For me, it's crucial more school in rural zones, in special. I would expand access to early childhood education. I would make college more affordable. I would work to create a strong sustainable economy that benefits all Colombians. If the economy were stronger, more Colombians would have jobs and opportunities. I would work to promote social justice and equality for all Colombians. If there were less discrimination, Colombia would be a more just and equality society. Finally, I would work for Colombia to live in respect, democracy, and the human rights. God bless you. Thank you so much.